Hey everybody. Hey. Hey. Welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to do a $15 upgrade to the fog lights on my Toyota 4Runner. Okay, in a previous video I upgraded the fog lights on my 4Runner to LED. Put LED bulbs in. They've been fantastic, but I'm wondering if maybe I shouldn't have taken that opportunity to upgrade to an amber style light. So instead of buying new lights and retrofitting those in and whatnot, I found this website, 4Runner Lifestyle, and they had these lens cover kits. So I bought one. It was $15, so it was pretty inexpensive. It comes with two lenses, two lens covers. They're just like a vinyl decal. Goes right over the fog light lens. So I'm going to go ahead and get these installed, and we'll see if maybe I should have gone with the amber, but at least for $15, this will let me know. Okay, we're going to get started. Lens covers on the 4Runner fog lights. I'm going to use this plastic tool that I have. It's for door trim or molding for automotive applications. I'm not sure if it's going to work or not, but we'll give it a shot. All right, go ahead and peel this backing off. Okay, there it is. Pretty thick actually. And then you're supposed to just be able to line this up. It's convex, so I'm going to try pushing right in the middle, and then just kind of work it out from the middle out to the edge and see if we can keep the air bubbles to a minimum. So far so good. So the lens cover actually goes, it's going to go behind this molding. So let me try this tool. Okay, that seems to be working well. Looks like I kind of got it off center a little. Supposedly you can pull these off again. Alright, we're going to jump on the driver's side now. Looks like this light's got a little moisture in it. But I cleaned both lights before we started. I just cleaned them with some Windex. It's quite possibly the easiest decal I've ever put on the passenger side. The hardest part is getting these things in the center. Okay, just kind of push that lens cover right behind the bezel here. Okay, so we got the light covers installed, and behind me I've got the lights on the 4Runner, and I'm not sure how they're going to look at night, but they almost look, not sure you can tell in the video, but they almost look green. Anyway, we got the light covers on, and maybe they look a little bit green, maybe they don't. It's hard to tell. I got tint on my glasses too, so I guess we'll try it out, and if we need to do a follow-up video, we will. Alright, thanks for watching.